Hi everyone, welcome back to the road trip. Today we've got a really neat car to look at, a 1955 Chevy Bel-Air convertible. This one's got a lot of period accessories, and it's really a pretty car. The color's gypsy red and shoreline beige, two-tone. Just the colors you expect to see a 55 Chevy painted in. It's a really neat car. Let me walk up to it and take a closer look. It's got this small block 265 V8. Check out the little model up top spinning of this car. That's cool. It's got the Continental kit. Very nice. Just like this car has. It's very period correct under here with the battery. The engine's painted the proper colors. Very nicely done in here. The chrome is beautiful. Paint is sparkling. The chrome is like a mirror. Looks beautiful. It's got the correct hubcaps, the wider white walls. She got the chrome trim along the rocker panel. Very nice. Look at this. You got the period accessories with the cheeseburger, the soda, the ketchup, and the mustard. Look at this. And the sundae. Look at those prices. I guess that's a quarter for a cheeseburger. Oh man, the 1950s, huh? Love all the accessories. Beautiful dash. It's got the period compass and the signal finder on the dash. It's got a 110 speedometer. It's got the Chevy emblem underneath the 50 to 60 mile an hour. I think that's the high beam indicator, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, somebody post a comment. But I think that lights up when their high beams are on. Nice steering wheel. Very original. Looks correct. Nice clean interior. Original looking pattern. This car has a white convertible top. You can see it has a white boot on it. But I just love all these accessories. Check out the guard for the door handle. And the Chevy emblem, Bel-Air. Very nice. Let's look back here. It's got the Continental kit, which I love the Continental kit. It's got the 55 Pennsylvania license plate, which is cool. Check out the specs. I'm not sure what you can see on here. You can pause it and read up on the 55 line, how many convertibles, how many sedans were made. And 1955, the Chevy Pace, the Indy 500. This car was actually painted up as a pace car replica. When the owner bought it about 8 years ago, it was that color. That's the car right there, the actual car. He was actually in an accident, unfortunately, after he bought it, and the car had to be repainted. And all those lettering and the flag and everything was painted on the car. So all of that had to be removed to get the car repainted, and he just went with the standard stock paint colors. Had to get rid of all that striping, unfortunately. But I think it's neat. Look at that flashlight. It's a period flashlight. It's got the Chevrolet toolbox. That's how you mounted the spare. I love all these little accessories that the owners bring with them. Be a real swinger. Swing to Ortlieb's. Remember Ortlieb's beer? Oh, now we're going back. Very nice, though. Nicely done back here. Let's get that emblem on. I think that V under the emblem there means it's a V8 car. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's what that means. It's got the little bumper override there. And the chrome trim continues along the side. Obviously, the owner added the seat belts. I don't believe they came with the car. But that's a nice touch. Check out the clock. Very nice. I like it. It's got all these little accessories. I like the accessories. Over here, he's got the drive-in movie speakers. These speakers actually play music. The owner was playing music when I walked up to him, and he turned it off for me. He gave me permission to video his car, but he'd rather not do an interview. but he's very happy to do the video. Let me do the video. He just didn't want to speak in it. Very nice guy. But I love the drive-in movie speakers, don't you? Just adds to the whole look. And then when it starts playing music from the 50s, that's even cooler. Over here we got a 55, 56 inspection sticker. That's pretty neat. Pennsylvania. But I love the car. I think it's cool. I love the colors, love the design. Everybody loves a Tri-5 Chevy. And this one is a sweetheart with all the period accessories. So tell me what you think. 1955 Chevy Bel-Air convertible. If you like it, leave your comments below. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.